Welcome to 4.5 part 2. We're going to continue on with the multiplication. As you can see here, we have binomials times trinomials, or binomials times polynomials with 4 terms, trinomials times trinomials, and the whole scads of different multiplications. So we can't use FOIL. We need to use the box here. And because we have a binomial by a polynomial with 4 terms, I'm going to have a 2 by 4 box. Now, I'm going to put the x and the 2 on there because those are the 2 terms. I'm going to put the x cubed. It's a cube, trust me on this one. Negative x squared, and x, and a negative 2 right there. So now, when we multiply, we're multiplying row and column. So x and x cubed is x to the 4th. X times negative 2x. Negative x cubed. X times x is our x squared. And then x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Okay? Now, 2 times all the top row, we have 2x cubes. We have negative 2x squareds. We have negative 2x's. And then finally, we have a negative 4. So notice once again, our like terms are on these diagonals. So just writing this off, we got an x to the 4th. So there's x to the 4th. We have 2x cubed minus x cubed, so plus an x cubed. We have negative 2x squared plus an x squared, so we have a negative x squared. Negative 2, oops, right here, that 2 times our x is a positive 2x, so 2x minus 2x is nothing, those cancel out, and we have minus 4. So let me rewrite that a little bit cleaner, see if I can do that. That's not the right thing right there. Erase that. So writing this in descending order once again, we have an x to the 4th plus an x to the 3rd minus an x squared. Our x is canceled, and minus 4. So that's that here. So when we look at this next one, we have a trinomial times a trinomial. So we're going to have a 3 by 3 box. I'm going to do this one a little bit bigger, so hopefully it'll be easier to read. Now with the first polynomial, I'll write it going down in descending order, x squared, x, and then 1. And then this next polynomial, I'll just go ahead and write in descending order. At the top here, we have an x squared minus x minus 1. Now when we do our multiplication here, it's row times column, so x squared and x squared, x to the 4th, x squared minus x, that's negative x cubed, x squared times negative 1, negative x squared. Down to the next row, x times x squared is x cubed, x times our negative x squared, x times negative 1, negative x, and then 1 times all these things, going to give us an x squared, a negative x, and a negative 1. So once again, we have some really nice like terms on a diagonal. We got our x to the 4th, so we got an x to the 4th. Then x cubed minus x cubed, those cancel. X squared minus x squared, those cancel, but we still have another negative x squared. We have 2 negative x's, so negative 2x, and then a negative 1. So we have that in descending order, and we've written that out. So the next two are just to really put this geometric interpretation of this box multiplication to just, you know, finalize that a little bit more. So here we're going to go ahead and multiply these out. We have x times 2x, which is, I didn't have the pen tool on here. X times 2x, which is 2x squared. X times 3, which is 3x. X times 2, which is 4x, and then 2 times 3, which is 6. So we can think of those as the area of the boxes there. Now when we add these up, we're just combining like terms. So we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. That's our polynomial there. Now, when we move to this next one here, you know, same thing. We can think of these as area. X times x squared, that's an x cubed, so that could be the area, the length times the width of this. Negative 3x times x, negative 3x squared. X times 9, that's 9x. Moving down, our 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 3, negative 6x. And 2 times 9, 18. So here we want to combine up our like terms again, writing in descending order. X cubed minus an x squared for our negative 3x squared plus 2x squared. Negative 6x plus 9, so we have plus 3x, and then plus 18. And that's that. So that's polynomial multiplication. Next time we have some special products, which is some more multiplication, so hopefully that'll be pretty straightforward. See ya.